The following video may contain content, language, flashing lights, and/or loud noises, which may not be suitable for some viewers. Viewer discretion is advised. Dave Madsen Entertainment Inc. presents
Thomas heard Mr. Fire Truck snoring, hazardous and obnoxious conditions.
Caution, hazardous and obnoxious conditions.
I see signs like that all the time. On Sam's bedroom door. Hot 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 hot.
Asswipe.
Son of a bitch.
Asswipe.
Son of a bitch.
Are you razzing us?
No, we're not. And stop calling each other names.
Lower all booms and dump bodies. Ye gads. So this is where killers dump their victims before they go into hiding?
I thought I saw human bones here somewhere. This is Rotting Corpse Boulevard. Rotting corpses? Moving tip number 72. It's okay to curse at heavy furniture. Crappy sofa. Nothing but a fucking piece of walrus turd.
Moon bounce is prohibited. You mean we can't bounce on our moons here?
Moon bounces are what come out of moons.
You disgust me, Sam. Ew.
No peeing driveway.
That'll teach you not to use the driveway for a commode.
That's disgusting. Ew.
Absolutely no signs allowed on building.
Then who put the sign up, if it's not allowed on the building?
Sam did it.
Uh-oh, that sounds like a fire truck snoring.
Later, after Sam, Dave Feynman was released on his own recognizance.
Why senior citizens? Why not other social groups?
Why ask why?
You young whippersnapper! I ought to whoop you one on your derriere!
Dirty old man.
If we do not litter on road abroad, why do we not do the same here?
Why indeed, Hank. Let's leave our clothes here and go skinny dipping.
Unskinny up.
Recycle composting trash.
One man's trash is another man's treasure.
Then Sam must be the richest man in the world. Hog 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 hog. Just kidding, Sam.
I know, Mary. That pile of compost is really guys. Raffle.
Don't remind me, Sam. Ew.
Attention! The next person who makes someone sick in this video, clean it up yourself.
Sup target. Target this place for supper.
Sup, target. Not much. Sup with you?
Temporary bus stop. Must be where the temporary buses stop. Ha 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 ha.
Please walk on the grass. And not on the concrete.
Now you tell me. I can hardly move in these concrete shoes.
Speak for yourself, Hank. I can't even move.
Prairie dogs are afraid of
Fire trucks snoring.
Yes. When prairie dogs are afraid, they hide in holes in the ground.
Not funny. Didn't laugh.
Funny. Did laugh.
Later, after Hank and Guy were extracted from the pavement and paid a substantial fine.
Place only people in this pocket. Hey, Oliver.
It is off limits of the graveyard this ahead, excluding parties concerned. Huh?
Regular, $3.28 a gallon. Plus, hot. Supreme dog.
I'll have a supreme dog to go. Hold the mustard and change the oil.
Let's all go to Marineland. 1 MILF, that's an insult. I'm not a MILF.
They evidently mean 1 mile.
It's not a mistake, Dave. There's only one MILF here, and her name is Microsoft Mary. Raffle.
Stay calm, Mary. Sam's only teasing you. Keep your cool. Oh. Tantrum. Coming on. Microsoft Sam, if you call me a MILF one more time, I'll jam a TNT stick up your ass, you bastard.
Judas Priest. Mary, why you plant me in the ground with your tantrum?
Sam, I hope this teaches you never to call me a MILF again.
I still can't understand why some people never learn to face facts.
Don't worry, Sam. After we're finished with this video, I can help you with your problem.
And where did everybody go?
If you're looking for them, there's only one place to look.
And I think I know where that place is.
Satan's kingdom again? Don't those evil maniacs ever learn?
Flattery.
Every time we bring you here, you flatter us.
I'd watch my step around these parts.
We could get arrested for assault and flattery. Hog.
Like Mike says, you watch your step in Satan's kingdom.
Since you were brought here, we claim you as our own.
That's what you think, Mr. and Mrs. Mephistopheles.
Release them or I bring my wrath down upon you. That's considered scandalous in Satan's kingdom.
Prepare to be shit on.
No matter where you are, my authority cannot be superseded, and that's that. Hold still, Satan. You know the limits of your realm. Stay cool. Tantrum is coming on now.
No, damn it, the Almighty always gets the best of me. Since I got kicked out of his realm one of these days, my legions and I will wait and we will win, you hear me, win.
Oh no, not God's country again. Let me out of here.
Wait for me.
That'll teach them not to toy with the power of the Almighty.
Now to rescue Sam and his friends.
While the devil and she-devil ran in terror back to their realm, the angel pulled Sam and Anna out of the ground and rescued the rest of us from Satan's kingdom. And the sign reading continues.
VIP lounge. What lounge? It looks like an ordinary tool shed.
I better go inside and relax.
Don't do it, Mary. It's a trap.
You don't know what's in there. You might get hurt.
What happened?
Mary thought this was the VIP lounge. It's actually an outhouse.
Yuck! She may be covered in raw sewage. Call 911.
Later, after an emergency crew fished Mary from the outhouse, cleaned her up and treated her injuries. Press button from 12 to 5.
You mean I should hold my finger on the button for 5 hours?
No wonder my finger hurts. Ouch.
Sudden gunfire. Is that anything like sudden impact? I can just hear Clint Eastwood. Go ahead, make my day. Ha 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 ha.
Ouch. I've been shot. Somebody call 911.
I can't go on yet. I forgot my job.
I don't have my costume on yet. Well, and I still need more practice. Hey, where'd you put the animals? Steve, we need more time.
We're almost ready. You know, just making a few last minute things to do.
We want the show. We want the show. We want the show. Hurry up, Steve. We can't wait. We want the show.
Okay, we need more time. Who could go out right now while we finish getting ready?
Periwinkle.
Yeah! Periwinkle.
Of course. Yeah, Periwinkle. He could do his tricks. Excellent idea.
That's a great idea. Periwinkle, will you go do your magic tricks while we finish getting ready?
Me? Do my magic tricks? I'd love to!
Great. Periwinkle can entertain the audience while we finish getting ready backstage.
Yeah! That way he can be in the show too. Come on! Yeah!
Later, after Lernouten Michael and Lernouten Michelle recovered from their gunshot wounds and Sam confessed freely to the police and paid a heavy fine.
Ghost physics.
2 years, expect delays.
What? Wait for 2 whole years to get where we are going? I've found another road. Follow me.
Great idea, Hannah.
What kind of sign is this? It doesn't even know what to say.
Drive Rev Free 1 on NTV, Ed.
Of all the signs we've come across, this is the worst one ever.
I agree. What a wishy-washy sign.
Wrong way. Go back. Looks like we're on out of road again.
Where do we go from here?
I have the answer. Sam's Rafflecopter.
Good thinking, Dave. All aboard.
Hang on, we're going home.
This episode of Dave Madson's Classic Funny Signs has been produced under protection by the ASS.
ASS? The Alliance of Sensible Sign Readers?
No, the Asswipe Security System.
Of which Microsoft Mike is the founder. Raffle.
Once and for all, Sam. I am not un.
This has been a Dave Madson Entertainment Inc. production.